I've helped hundreds of painters in the last 2 years cross the $1 million mark in their business with our projects on demand system.
Probably the last 2 weeks I did about 108 in sales.
We're at 1.45 right now, and we're still selling.
We're consistently closing close to 100 at this point. We did 1 week to 150.
And then we shot up crazy into the 360s.
It's going to be close to $100,000 in signed contracts in the month of September.
We did like 320K in October.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can land more painting projects every single week and become the local celebrity in your community with our projects on demand system. My name is Ryan Stacey and I'm the owner here at Tridas, and we've helped hundreds of painting contractors within the last 2 years grow their businesses to either their first $1 million or add their next $1 million. And my goal with this video is to find a few good painting contractors who are serious about growth and taking their businesses to the next level in 2025 and beyond, who want to not just survive, but thrive in their local market. Now, before I go to explain this process, I do want to respect everyone's time. So if you're not a painting contractor or you don't want new ways to land consistent projects on demand, then this is not for you. But if you're open to a new, proven, battle-tested system that's worked for hundreds of painting contractors across North America, then stick around, because this will be the most important video you've watched all year. Now, the process I'm revealing to you is called the Project on Demand system. And this is the only system for painting contractors to help you land consistent projects without having to rely on referrals, lead generation sites, or inconsistent marketing. This all started when I graduated from college and started working as a designer with a large marketing firm in London who worked with companies like Samsung, Xbox, and Santander. And I learned a lot, but quickly realized that I could personally help much smaller businesses on my own. Unfortunately, my family's home improvement businesses were looking for new ways to grow the business because they were stuck for the past few years after trying a lot of boots on the ground marketing strategies. So when I came in, I tested a lot. I tested Google, Facebook, YouTube, paid lead generation sites. I tried door knocking, cold calling, everything under the sun, you name it. But they work to a certain extent. But the best, most effective thing I found was high-performance video ads, and of course, having a solid CRM in place too. Now, through my experience and a lot of testing with high-performance video ads, I was able to take our family home improvement businesses from $45K a month to over $150K a month in 6 short months with Facebook ads. And in 1 year, we only spent $70,000 in order to make back over $1 million in revenue. And since figuring this out, it allowed us to have more business even in the off-season and make sure our entire crew was booked up. Additionally, this allowed us to roll this out into the second part of our business so our family could have more time off and actually grow the business they deserve and operate every single day. And today, I'm happy to say that each area of our business does multiple millions of dollars in revenue every single year, thanks to the system that I figured out. Now, at the time, I was only working with our family business, but I wanted to help more people. I learned the skill of advertising smaller businesses and helping them become a local celebrity through what was soon to become the Projects on Demand system, which today has helped hundreds of painting contractors cross the $1 million mark and consistently land more projects without any wasted marketing spend. After hearing about our success, a friend who was a painter asked if we could help do the marketing for his business. Especially for the winter season, the business was slow and he had to let go of some of his crew during the off season. He was tired of wasting money on sites like Angie's List, Thumbtack, and Networks. Now, for context, if you don't know how those sites operate, they basically operate on a shared lead model, meaning they advertise on Google, they get a lead and they share it via email and text to 8 to 10 different painters in your area. And then you, as a contractor, have to fight for that lead and maybe get in touch with them and maybe get the project. This sucks, because getting new business should not be this hard. You see, in this scenario, only lead generation sites win, but you lose as a contractor, or maybe you win here and there because the leads that they give you are not exclusive. And therefore, it's not a win-win situation. And my painting contracting friend, he was tired of it. Tired of getting tire kickers, tired of homeowners comparing estimates, tired of just not getting enough volume of projects for his team. Plus, to make matters worse, he had also tried direct mailing, email newsletters, door knocking, doing local magazine ads, and the list goes on. But they just did not bring the consistent lead flow he was looking for to grow his business. Now, chances are, if you're watching this, you may have tried some of those things as well, but they only work to a certain extent. You may land a project here and there, but they are super inconsistent. Now, for a moment, rather than looking at the lens from your perspective, let's quickly look at the lens from the homeowner's perspective instead. You see, they just want a reliable painting contractor who will do a good job, charge the right price, and get it done quickly and efficiently. And my guess is that's you. But if you have to fight to land the project and even make the homeowner's job harder because they've got 8 to 10 estimates to look through, then this makes your painting contracting business and your job very tough. And for this exact reason, I created the Projects on Demand system so you don't have to fight for any estimates. You get exclusive leads and make more money and become the local celebrity in your market. I'll explain what I mean in a second. Now, after talking to our friend, I asked if he had ever tried Facebook ads with video marketing. And he replied, video marketing? No, never. I don't even know how to operate a camera nor how to run ads. Do you mean like boosting posts? To which I told him, no, you're gonna waste time and money on boosted posts. You see, what's really cool about Facebook's Business Manager is that it allows you to target specific zip codes as well as incomes. So if you want a homeowner in a specific zip code in a top 5% income bracket, it allows you to do that. Plus, Facebook has incredible AI where it looks at homeowners who are already looking for a painting contractor and just matches you two together. Using this strategy, I was able to grow our family businesses from 45K a month to over 150K a month in 6 short months using high-performance video marketing. Now, pay attention to this because you do not want to miss out. When he asked how I did it, I honestly just wanted to do it for him since it would take him super long. I knew he didn't have the time nor the resources. So I went in and reviewed everything he had done at that point. And it wasn't awful, and it got him a few estimates here and there, but nothing really consistent. I saw boosted posts, direct mail, monthly recurring payments to lead generation sites, and so much more. And while it kept his business afloat, he wasn't thriving like he wanted to. And truthfully, it wasn't really his fault. He just did not know how to operate his marketing at a professional expert level. So I quickly asked him, which zip codes do you service? To which he gave me all of them. And then I used Facebook to hyper-target the exact zip codes as well as ideal homes that he wanted to get in front of. And then we also added a few mile radius around these zip codes to capture anyone else as well. And once finished, we wrote down the types of projects he wanted to advertise, like interior painting, exterior painting, cabinet repainting. Then we built an attractive offer that would actually make homeowners want to come to him rather than him having to chase them. And the last part was to create what I like to call our high performance video advertising, or our local celebrity ads, which get you in front of homeowners that are looking for your projects. So I gave him the exact script we use for our family businesses, he recorded them, and we were up and running. Now, I want to emphasize that these high performance video ads are crucial for 3 main reasons. They are authentic, selfie style videos that attract your ideal clients to you rather than you having to chase them. They establish a know, like, and trust factor, and therefore you become the expert before you've even shown up for the appointment, therefore making sales a lot easier. And lastly, these videos become a selling asset because these videos are going to be running in front of thousands of people every single day who can send them to one another, they can refer you, and it positions you as a local authority and celebrity. I've had clients tell me that they've got noticed at Starbucks, that they've got noticed at their kids' school game where parents have come over to them and said, hey, I love your videos. So please, 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 this is so crucial that you do not want to skimp out on because it will truly help you land new products consistently. Now, by this point, you should pretty much understand the video marketing bit and getting homeowners reaching out to you rather than you chasing them. But this is not the end of the story. One of the key things I learned at the agency I worked for was to have a customer relationship manager, a CRM, so you could keep track of all of our leads and follow up. Lead generation companies have them, so why don't we? Rather than owning their leads and sharing them with everyone else, why don't we own our leads and keep them for ourselves and dominate? So we set up a connection to our exclusive partnership CRM we have, which automatically contacts leads within seconds of them coming through. Now, for those of you who don't know, you lose more than 80% of your leads if you do not contact them within the first 5 minutes. Studies have shown that you are more likely to convert leads into projects when you call within the first 5 minutes. So we need to have the speed to lead system dialed in. Now, so far we have high performance video ads running and getting us exclusive leads that then connect and go into our CRM that contacts them within seconds or at least within the first 5 minutes. Now, becoming a local authority is important for many reasons, but one of the most important reasons is longevity. What I mean by longevity is you will get a new project this week, this month, and this year, but also for years to come. People will start recognizing you over time, and when the time is right, you're the first person they think of when looking for a painting contract. This allows you to build a real team, a real crew, and have multiple trucks on the field giving estimates rather than you have to drive around to do everything. But if becoming a local authority is important, why do most painting contractors never focus on it? Well, to be realistic, most painting contractors are focused on the now. They just want to get a new project. They aren't thinking about how to get 5, 6, or perhaps 10 projects at a time. They aren't thinking about building a real brand or a multi-million-dollar business that you can sell. Sure, they've got a truck with their brand in and they get a lot of referrals, but this is only scratching the surface. It's like an iceberg, and it's only the ice you see on the top. But deep down underneath, there's a whole lot more. Now, at this point, if this sounds like a lot, do not worry. You can schedule a call with me and our team, and we will do all of this for you. And we've done this already for hundreds of painting contractors. So This is nothing new. Now, to sum it all up, we go into a painting contracting business and we laser target all the zip codes and ideal homes. We create high performance video ads that position you as a know, like, and trust authority and position you as a local celebrity. We create an offer and we launch our ads. Next, we use our exclusive software to automatically contact the leads within the first 30 seconds to make sure you're booking estimates. This entire process allows you to land more projects now, next week, next month, and for years to come. Now, I know I've explained a lot in this video, but this entire process lies inside of what I like to call a projects on demand system, which helps painting contractors land projects consistently without you having to do all the work. And I'd like to make an offer, if that's okay with you. You see, earlier I mentioned that I'm looking for a few good painting contractors who want to grow in 2025 and beyond. Well, in order to grow in 2025, you have to start planning now and set things up before 2025. The best businesses prepare early rather than on the day of, because when 2025 rolls around, you're already 99% ahead of the other painters in your area. And I want to give you that opportunity. So here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 100 painters who want to become the local authority and celebrity in the area and land projects consistently and work less with our project on demand system. And I'm willing to guarantee this works because this is the same system we've used for some of the biggest franchises in North America and some of the biggest painting portfolio companies. Now, when we come into your business, we will install our proven projects on demand system within 7 days, all done for you, so you can get an edge fast, beat the lead generation sites that are in game, and start the process of becoming a top painter in your area. So essentially, to break this down, all you have to do is pick up the phone, run an estimate, close a deal. It's very simple. Here's what I want you to do next. There's a short application down below that asks a few basic questions about you and your business. That way we can get to know each other and to see if we're a good fit and are actually able to help you. If so, it will take you to our calendar where you can schedule a call with us. And I or someone from the Tridas team will be there to walk you through how we can implement projects on demand system for your business and game plan it together. And what I'm going to do now is show you real testimonials from real painters who have trusted us with their business and, more importantly, trusted to invest in themselves and have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars with our projects on demand system.
Tridas.
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 800 out.
We're going to do about 115.
1.3 million.
Going over 100 in 14 days.
850.
50.
$953,000.
It
283,000.
was about 700 grand. So that was year to date.
Our biggest sales week, I'm 150 in a week.
$100,000.
91K in the last 11 days from Tridas leads.
Probably the last 2 weeks I did about 108 in sales.
I'm the happiest with you so far out of anyone we've used.
Yeah, I think in general, it would be safe to say that what you guys are doing has generated all of our growth for the most part.
I mean, you can't lose. You're going to spend money on marketing regardless. And so you can waste a lot of time trying to do stuff yourself, or you can hire professionals to do it. And it's kind of like, when people want to paint their own homes, they can waste the time or find a chuck in a truck or whatever it is, or they can hire a professional like us. It's the same thing, and finding you guys has been a godsend.
Now you see, this isn't just BS or fluff. This is a guaranteed way to land more projects and become the local authority and celebrity in your area and work less. You can hire more crew, you can kick your feet up, you can hire a new project manager and an estimator, and you can spend more time with your family and loved ones. Perhaps you want to go to your kids' baseball or school game, or enjoy a barbecue. Or maybe you just prefer to do more work and keep growing your business. And that's a possibility as well. My goal here is to help you grow your painting business to new heights that you've never seen before. And honestly, this projects on demand system took really long to perfect. And I have never seen a better model to helping painting companies grow more quickly than this. So if you're ready to grow your painting contracting business very quickly, then click the link below and fill out your application. Again, my name's Ryan Stacey, the owner here at Tridas, and I can't wait to see you on site in the winner's circle. Thank you.